Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to post your shipped orders from Boxify into Bukku and create accurate invoices for your e-invoice compliance. Let's get started. Log in to your Boxify account using your admin credentials. On the left menu, scroll to All Orders. To avoid errors, always filter your orders by status. Shipped. Only shipped orders should be posted to Bukku. Select the orders you want to convert into invoices. Tick the checkboxes next to each order. Click the Bukku button on the top right to start posting. Double-check everything before submitting. The invoice will include the full order amount, including shipping fees, no matter how many partial payments you received. You cannot create another invoice for an order that already has one in Bukku. If you need to post a new invoice, you must first delete or cancel the existing one in Bukku. Bukku does not accept invoices with zero or negative totals. Boxify will skip any orders with an item plus shipping amount that is RM0 or negative. Make sure your Bukku tax profile matches your order's tax setup. Once you're ready, click Submit. Your orders will be successfully converted into invoices in Bukku. Here are additional important notes to remember. The posting date will be the invoice date in Bukku. All orders posted will be recorded as cash sales with status normal. No shipping or customer contact details will be posted to Bukku. Manage these separately. According to LHDN e-Invoice requirements, the invoice date must follow the time of supply. So it's best practice to post your shipped orders to Bukku on the same day you ship them. For more information, how to submit e-invoices to LHDN, refer to Bukku's guide. How to submit consolidated e-invoices, refer to Bukku's guide. How to handle customer e-invoice requests, find Bukku's guide here too. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. See you in the next video.